Hey, how's everybody doing? Just trying to do this about 2:30 every weekday. I'm a little late today, but just wanted to share a few songs I'm working on. And these songs, basically, I like songs that have sort of ambiguity to them, meaning like they can mean different things at different stages in our lives, and I just like that. So this first one is Kings of Leon, "Use Somebody." So I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces filled with places I can't read. You know that I can use somebody. You know that I can use somebody. Someone like you and all you know and how you speak. Countless lovers under covers on the street. You know that I can use somebody. You know that I can use somebody. Someone like you. Someone like you. Off in the night while you leave it up, I'm off to sleep. Waging wars to shape the poet and the beat. I hope it's gonna make you notice. I hope it's gonna make you notice. Someone like me, whoa, 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 whoa. Kings of Leon, someone like you. So these are all a work in progress, but this one's Cobi, and it's "Don't You Cry For Me." Oh, got my hands tied around my back, and time put a rope around my head, and hung from the rafters of my feet. Dark in the eyes, trying to face the world I can't bear to. My knees hit the ground and my hands start shaking. Old feeling from new faces, a rope on the floor and the poor man hanging. Please help me chop this tree down. Hold me from underneath. Words never once cut me down. Oh, don't you cry for I've seen an ocean run away. I'm torn from the truth that holds my soul. I'm down in the grave where I belong. Oh, what a ride, I dare to fight my devil, wings to the sky, on the run from trouble. With my own hands, no shovel, I dug in the ground, now hanging above, saying, please help me chop this tree down. Hold me from underneath. Words never once cut me down. Oh, don't you cry for me. Down by the grave where the long man lay, when the gravel got paid, finally I'm saved. Down by the grave where the long man lay, when the gravel got paid, finally I'm saved. Down by the grave where the long man lay, when the gravel got paid, finally I'm saved. Please help me chop this tree down. Hold me from underneath. Words never once cut me down. Oh, don't you cry for me. Oh, don't you cry for me. Oh, don't you cry for me. Yeah, that's Cobi. Don't You Cry For Me. I really like that one. And this last one is Justin Timberlake, Stapleton. Say Something. Everyone knows all about my direction, and in my heart somewhere I wanna go there, but still I don't go there. Everybody says say something, to say something, to say something, to say something, say something, to say something. I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no, no. Caught up in the middle of it. No, I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no, no. Caught up in the rhythm of it. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Everyone knows all about my transgressions. Still in my heart somewhere, in melody and harmony, for you and me tonight. Whoa, I hear them call my name. Everybody says say something, to say something, say something, to say something, say something, to say something. I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no, no. I'm caught up in the middle of it. No, I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no, no. Caught up in the rhythm of it. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't. Maybe I'm looking for something I can't have. Sometimes the greatest way to say something is to say nothing at all. Sometimes the greatest way to say something is to say nothing at all. Sometimes the greatest way to say something is to say nothing. Say something. All right. Well, those are the songs for today. Try to get it at 2:30 every weekday, like I said. And thanks for tuning in. If feel free to like, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Progress, not perfection. Be much appreciated. Thanks for listening.